जहाँ सुकून मिले वो घर है, जहाँ अपने मिले वो घर है, और वो सपनों का घर जो आपको दिलाए वो हम है। हाय गाइस, रुचिका दिस साइड फ्रॉम प्रेस्टो एस्टेट्स DLF फेज़ 1 गुड़गांव। तो आज जो मैं आपको घर दिखाने वाली हूँ वो आपके सपनों से भी बहुत खूबसूरत होने वाला है। ये आज हम DLF फेज़ 2 में एक प्रॉपर्टी देखेंगे विच इज़ 4 BHK विद योर लिफ्ट, योर स्टिल्ट, योर कार पार्किंग. It comes with terrace, without terrace, all depending upon your budget and requirement. Let's have a home tour. This is our drawing and dining area, which is VRV hot and cold. A lot of beautiful work has been done on the walls with a running balcony in the front. And of course, it is a park facing house, so आप उसकी एक feel और grandness समझ सकते हैं. So this is going to be our drawing, our dining. आपकी काफ़ी अच्छी capacity है sitting की यहाँ पे. Separations कर सकते हैं आप अपने dining area के अलग से. So this is gonna be our kitchen, just bang opposite our dining section, which is fully equipped with all the equipments, be it your OTG, your oven, your gas hob, your chimneys, all the utilities and cabinets and drawers. Kitchen is equipped with your air condition. There's a space for 2-door refrigerator. There's a wash and sink. Also, it has a balcony, a small balcony for your washing utensils area and your XYZ reasons. But it is pretty cute, comfortable and cozy balcony. I need to have a look at. As I always say, ये जो बैक balconies होती हैं किचन से जो adjoining होती है बहुत ही यूज़फुल होती हैं. Let's start with our room tours. This is going to be a master bedroom with a running balcony in the front. And वो balcony की धूप छाँव बहुत ही अच्छी होती है. अगर आपके मास्टर बेडरूम में आप बहुत उसको एक ग्रैंड और बहुत अच्छी आपकी फील आती है टू हैव अ बालकनी इन योर मास्टर बेडरूम विद द कॉफ़ी टेबल्स अराउंड एंड द कमिंग विंटर्स अराउंड, इट्स गोइंग टू बी अमेजिंग. ओके, अ लॉट ऑफ मिरर वर्क, beautiful work done in our cupboards, and a lot of scope to add on a lot of to your dressing area. There is quite a space कि जिसमें आप अपना dressing area जैसे भी modify करके add on कर सकते हो. Beautiful washroom with light colors. कहीं हम घर देखते बहुत ही dark colors use करते हैं, इस घर में बहुत ही light colors use करते हैं. Of course that brings a lot of positivity to the house. Copper work and mirror work is up to the mark. Again, then as I always say, हर चीज़ बहुत branded मिलती है, with warranty मिलती है, with guarantee मिलती है. Okay, let's start with our balcony, front balcony, which is a running balcony connecting our drawing and our master bedroom with a park view in front. And this is pretty huge and spacious, very airy. Of course, there will be a lot of sunlight you'll be blessed with when it comes to such area. The road wideness is pretty too much because it has a park in front, so parking won't be an issue. You have an inside parking as well. All the doors, as I always say, are heat and sound resistant. Okay, coming back to our drawing and dining area is your kitchen. That's your entrance of the door. Very beautiful, cute, lovely powder room. Very nice combination of colors are used. And a little different, instead of using some cabinets, they're using a rack side of a thing. Okay, now let's come here. This is going to be your sitting TV lounge area, your common area, or you can convert it into a puja area, maybe your study area, whatever. But it's quite a spacious place you can add. And इसी area के साथ आपको मिलते हैं 3 bedrooms attached. So one is going to be there, 1, 2, and the third bedroom, which has a back running balcony as well. So let's visit this bedroom first. Okay, I love the walls being played with the LED lights, which is giving it a very unique look. The fall ceilings are very nice. हमारे हर रूम में आपको एयर कंडीशन मिलेगा. VRV हॉट एंड कोल्ड सिर्फ ड्राइंग एंड डाइनिंग में आपको मिलेगी. बाकी एवरी रूम, किचन, द कॉमन एरियाज आर इक्विप्ड विद द एयर कंडीशन इंस्टॉल्ड इन इट. Again, very beautiful combination of work and colors used in the bathrooms, giving it a very elegant look. There are cupboards inside with your dressing area, your panel, your shower panel, your vanity is all up to the mark, the mirrors, and there's a back balcony which I'll show you later on. Now let's come to this room, your guest bedroom maybe. Lovely wall created with the inbuilt hidden almiras, and as I say, I really like this work which has a continuity of the work. And then there's the washroom. The continuity of the wall gives it a very beautiful look. There are the almiras. This is the simple TV unit, and this is our washroom. Different combinations of colors used in every washroom, giving it a very different and a very warm look to the washrooms. The whole house has a very decent cream color combination used with the woodwork around, but toilets have different combination. So this is going to be our last and the fourth bedroom, which is pretty spacious as well. So मुझे कोई भी ऐसा नहीं लग रहा. Of course, the master bedroom is very spacious, but the other 3 rooms are also very spacious. So they have the inbuilt almiras inside the room only, and that's the washroom. And there's a separate balcony attached, a small little balcony attached to your bedroom as well. Okay, all your electronic controllers are there in all the rooms, which is I think a perk in nowadays, which gives a very nice access. Let me show you the back balcony of the house. Okay, so this balcony connects the 2 rooms. The third room has a separate small balcony to itself. These 2 rooms are connected with this back balcony. And as I always say, इसको जितना मर्जी modify करो, जितना मर्जी play around करो, it always enhances your house beauty. Okay, so guys, this is our 400 square yard. Then you have a kitchen, a pantry, everything is there. And I just love these terraces because of the fact that winters are approaching, आपके rainy days, आपकी parties, 200 people बड़े ही आराम से. So this is definitely a super icing on the cake. Let me just show you around. That's again another counter which can be used for many reasons. Beautiful countertop. All the grass work is done very nicely. There's a lot of planters, a lot of greenery. That's your washroom. That's your pantry. And that's the beautiful DLF City Phase 2, which connects you to the Cyber City and your highway. Within 1 minute of DLF Phase 2 is its connectivity. And of course, अगर आपको ऐसी हश पश सिटी में, इतनी रश भरी सिटी में इतना प्यारा सा एक सुकून भरा घर मिल जाए, तो उससे बड़ी बात ही क्या है. So okay guys, let me just summarize you this beautiful house in some words for you. सबसे पहली जो इसकी प्लस पॉइंट है या सबसे बड़ा जो इसका मेजर पॉइंट है वो है कि इट इज़ अ पार्क फेसिंग 400 स्क्वायर यार्ड 4 BHK बिल्डर फ्लोर, जो आपको विद टेरेस मिलता है, विदाउट टेरेस मिलता है. आपको 4 बेडरूम्स मिलते हैं विद अटैच्ड बैल्कनीज इन ऑल द बेडरूम. आपको ड्राइंग, डाइनिंग, किचन मिलती है जिसमें हर सारी एमिनिटीज़ है. इसके पीछे भी बैल्कनी है. सो एक और चीज़ जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी इस फ्लोर में कि जो काम है वो बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से फिनिश्ड हुआ हुआ है. आपको कहीं पे भी कोई कमी नहीं दिखेगी. एवरी ब्रांड हैज़ बीन यूज्ड and you get everything with a guarantee and warranty of few years of that particular brand. Also, it comes with 3 car parking. covered for you and a servant room at the ground level. So please guys, feel free to reach us at 7424001000 to visit this beautiful property. We at Presto Estates are there to help you at any time of the day. Till we meet again in another house tour, signing off for now.